Hello, everybody. This is probably my best fight series. This is going to be a one-sided fight, but I think it's important. I just want to show you a scene from Saving Private Ryan. This is the sniper scene. All right, this is how effective one sniper is going to take down, like, going to hold up an entire unit. Just watch. If you've seen the movie before, you know. But if you haven't, just watch what one sniper can do.
All right, past the end of the block to the left, those are the gates to the square.
Turn it up a little bit. There we go. Wow, this looks really good. I wonder if the rain was fake when they made this.
$300 last I heard.
Company's got a pool. $5 gets you in.
Uniforms look good. Weapons look good. Background looks good. The props look good. The wood all over the place. The wet uniforms. I think, man, it's good looking. Man,
Somebody must know where he's from and what he did for a living.
being a film student is a lot more fun now. We see old good movies like this. Tom Hanks young. Man, there's a lot of. We've got Vin Diesel in here. We got so many heavy hitters started this movie.
Captain didn't go to school. They assembled them at OCS out of spare body parts and dead GIs.
You gotta pay attention to detail. I know exactly where he's from and exactly what he did because I pay attention to detail.
Hey, help him. Careful,
Family.
step in the bullshit.
Nice.
Do it.
Thunder! Thunder!
It's a call sign. You yell thunder. The other person's supposed to yell lightning. That's our side. If they don't yell that, then we got a problem. Here we go. Pay attention.
Papa, tell them to show themselves.
Look at that grandfather clock just sitting there.
That's what if they know where the Germans are.
Ça va pas? Ils sont partout. Vous êtes passé par Balogne. Il faut que vous emmeniez les enfants.
What about the children?
Kids!
They want us to take the children.
No, not right now. We're busy. Oh, no. Vin Diesel going up there saying family. That's a joke, everybody.
Are you nuts? Listen to the captain! Are you
This is crazy to me. This is so crazy to me. I would have had a corporal or sergeant beating my ass if I did this.
How do you say it's okay? I can't. She reminds me of my niece, sir.
Caparzo, get the kid back up there!
Captain, the decent thing to do is to at least take her down the road
Decent
to the
thing.
next town.
We're not here to do the decent thing. We're here to follow fucking orders. Sarge, take this goddamn kid!
This got hit right in the chest. Here we go. You run out there, you get shot as well.
He was on the ground before we heard the shot.
He's got to be at least 300 yards away.
That's rad, B.
I didn't see it.
450 yards, Captain. Maybe shade under.
I wouldn't venture out there.
Way
fellas.
out there.
This sniper's got talent.
Through the rain? I've qualified in Okinawa on the 500-yard line during a damn rainstorm in 2007. I know how hard it is. I get it. Man, that bullet goes all over the place. Cannot believe I qualified in the rain. Pretty sure I got sharpshooter not sharpshooter. The middle one. So marksman sharpshooter. I got sharpshooter that year. Whatever. Oh man, it looks so real. Good job, Hollywood. Effects look so good. But the effects being the props, the dirt, the rocks, the wood. That's what I'm talking about, not visual effects. Camera shots are really good too.
Il faut surtout pas bouger.
Captain, can you see him from there? How is he?
And you cannot let the medic out there.
Where's he shot, Captain?
No, you fucking grab his ass, man.
You stay there.
Damn it, stay down!
Dude, the sniper will take their medic down in a heartbeat.
Guys, come over here.
Copy, put your head down. Put your head down.
It hurts because we can't go out there and save him.
Let me not be ashamed. Let not my enemies triumph
You
over
can try, but you'll get shot right in the chest as well. There he is. By the way, I saw this in theaters.
Copy it and send it before
Copy, you're gonna send it yourself. Put it down. I see it.
blood.
This is a one-on-one fight between two great snipers.
It's to my dad. It's got blood on it.
And the shots are so good. Looks over there, sees his other guys. Wow. Man down. Got him.
We got him. Stay down.
Whew. All right, I'm not gonna get copywritten here. Thank you for watching, everybody. That's a tough scene. It's a real tough scene because there's nothing anyone could do. First off, the other guys' weapons, they might not even the bullet might not even make it that far. You know what they're shooting. Maybe it does. I don't think they got the sights. Do they have the skill to shoot 450 yards? I do. And like, let me tell you, it is not easy shooting through the rain. And by the way, at a raised target, so the bullet at that distance, the bullet's not gonna just go straight. The water's gonna mess with it, but the bullet's gonna start like arcing. So you gotta aim up as well. That's why when it shoots right through the hole, I'm just like, whoa! I know it's a film, but man, that was such a great shot, such a great scene in this film. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.